All right, so it's a rainy day and sitting around with my kids, and we want to do a science experiment, and we decided that we want to see what's inside of a 9-volt battery. Chances are some of you might know, but I have no clue. So I've got my helpers over here behind the camera. We're going to get some tools out. We're going to pry this open safely, and we're going to see what's inside. All right, so make sure you have protective eyewear like these two. I'm going to have some on as well. So let's get started.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Trying to pry it open.
No, we're not filming.
Oh, I am actually, yeah. Oh. I was like, we're not? Thanks, Isla, but we are.
You're not even talking.
Well, we don't have to talk. We're just...
Just throw it out. Okay. What does the inside look like is the question.
That is the question. Isla, what do you think it looks like on the inside of
You
this?
said that it might have like
Well,
two different batteries.
Yeah, it might. Why do we think that?
Because Daddy read that. Or you saw it somewhere. I think
Well, also think there's 2 posts here. So what's giving these both power, right? Why are there 2 and how's that working?
Are there 2 batteries or is there just like nothing
2
inside?
power supplies inside.
Is it hollow?
But one thing, look, I mean, there's a case around this that we're prying off, so that tells me that it's holding something inside.
It could just be a trick.
Trick, it's creating electricity.
Well,
We don't know.
yes.
To all my viewers out there, we really
The
don't
video
know.
where they change the smoke detector. Put that in my hand. Magic! Oh wait, should I get these out of the way?
Oh, they're fine.
Look at my hand. I'll move them.
Okay, look at my
Oh
hand.
man, you got your tiny hand in there.
Hammer. It's called hammer.
No, this. What is this called, Daddy?
Clamps.
It's a what?
Clamp.
This is a clamp. Finally, we got something.
That's just the wrapper of that battery, right? Of the first battery.
Alright, so we've got this off.
I can't wait to see.
We were mistaken, not 2 batteries, but individual battery cells, it looks like, stacked together to power the 9-volt battery.
Cool.
Does it come apart more?
I would not recommend taking it apart more because I think that's where, like, let's see.
No, that's where the zapping comes in.
No one's gonna get zapped.
I'm coming over with Mommy.
So there's the inside.
Wait, can I come see?
I want to see the inside.
Move it on to a...
So you see the terminals there, where it connects.
Put it into a
Right
3.
there. And then the
I'm
cells
watching
in
from
there.
here.
We have on
Alright.
goggles except for our mom.
Oh man, she's being dangerous.
She's gonna die. But you won't actually die.
So there you have it. That is the inside of a 9-volt battery. I was mistaken. It is not 2 small batteries. So there you
There's
go.
a million gazillion small
Little
batteries.
cells, that's right. So you learn something new every day. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. Talk to you
this?
later. Peace.